The general versus specific test evaluates an individual's tendency to focus either on the big picture, general, or on details, specific. This distinction is crucial in understanding how a person approaches tasks, decision-making, and problem-solving, which can significantly impact career choices and business strategies. Here's how this test can offer distinct advantages for young adults. Understanding general versus specific orientation. 1. General orientation. Characteristics. Individuals with a general orientation tend to focus on the overall vision, goals, and broader implications. They prefer to see the big picture and may overlook the finer details in favor of maintaining a broader perspective. Advantages. Strategic thinking. People with a general orientation are often excellent at strategic thinking, making them well-suited for roles that require planning, vision, and concept development. They can quickly grasp complex situations by understanding how different elements fit together within a larger context. Innovation. Their ability to think broadly enables them to generate big ideas and innovate, which is valuable in fields such as business development, marketing, and leadership. Challenges. Lack of detail. General thinkers may struggle with tasks that require attention to detail and precision. They may also find it challenging to execute ideas, as they might lose interest in the specifics necessary to bring a project to completion. 2. Specific orientation, characteristics. Individuals with a specific orientation prefer to focus on details, step-by-step processes, and precise execution. They excel in environments where meticulous attention to detail is required. Advantages. Detail-oriented. Specific-oriented individuals are adept at managing complex information, spotting errors, and ensuring that all aspects of a task are thoroughly addressed. They are often excellent in roles that require precision, such as accounting, data analysis, and quality control. Execution. Their focus on details makes them reliable in executing plans and ensuring that all necessary steps are followed, making them valuable in project management and operational roles. Challenges. Tunnel vision. Specific thinkers may become too focused on details, sometimes losing sight of the overall purpose or goal. They may also find it challenging to adapt to changes in the broader strategy or context. Distinct advantages of the general versus specific test for young adults. 1. Career path selection. Aligned career choices. Understanding whether they prefer general or specific thinking can guide young adults in selecting careers that align with their strengths. Those who prefer general thinking might thrive in roles such as strategy development, entrepreneurship, or creative fields that require big-picture thinking. In contrast, those who prefer specific thinking might excel in careers that require attention to detail, such as engineering, finance, or legal work. Tailored job search. Young adults can use these insights to target job roles that match their work style. For instance, general-oriented individuals might seek roles that allow for broad planning and idea generation, while specific-oriented individuals might prefer roles that involve detailed analysis and execution. 2. Business decision-making, entrepreneurial strategy. For aspiring entrepreneurs, knowing their orientation can influence how they approach business planning and operations. General-oriented entrepreneurs might focus on vision and strategy, while specific-oriented entrepreneurs might prioritize operational details and precise execution. Team composition. Understanding their orientation can also inform how young entrepreneurs build their teams. They might seek to balance their strengths by hiring team members with complementary preferences, ensuring both strategic vision and detailed execution within their business. 3. Behavior in the workplace. Enhanced collaboration. Recognizing their own and others' preferences can improve workplace dynamics. General-oriented individuals can bring strategic insights and big-picture thinking to projects, while specific-oriented individuals ensure that all necessary details are covered and tasks are executed precisely. Adaptation to roles. Young adults can leverage their understanding of these preferences to adapt their behavior to different roles or tasks. For example, a general-oriented individual might work on developing better attention to detail when necessary, while a specific-oriented individual might focus on understanding and contributing to the broader strategy. 4. Personal and professional growth. Balanced development. The test can help young adults identify areas for growth. General-oriented individuals might focus on developing more structured approaches to tasks and improving their attention to detail, while specific-oriented individuals might work on enhancing their ability to think strategically and see the bigger picture. Enhanced decision-making. By understanding their natural tendencies, young adults can make more informed decisions that align with their work style, leading to greater satisfaction and success in their careers. Conclusion: the general versus specific test provides young adults with valuable insights into their natural work preferences. General orientation. Individuals who prefer general thinking are well suited for careers and business ventures that require strategic thinking, innovation, and big-picture planning. They thrive in environments where flexibility and vision are valued. Specific orientation. Individuals who prefer specific thinking excel in roles that require attention to detail, precision, and methodical execution. They are ideal for careers that involve detailed planning, quality control, and structured environments. By understanding their preferences, young adults can make more informed career choices, tailor their job search strategies, and enhance their decision-making processes, ultimately leading to greater professional success and personal fulfillment. The general versus specific test is advantageous for individuals across various age groups, each of whom can apply the insights from this test to different aspects of their personal and professional development. Here's how different age groups can benefit from taking this test. 1. Adolescents, ages 14 to 18. Advantages: educational choices. Adolescents are in a phase of exploring their academic interests and strengths. Understanding whether they have a general or specific orientation can help them choose subjects and study approaches that align with their natural tendencies. For example, general-oriented students might excel in subjects like history, where understanding broad concepts is key, while specific-oriented students might thrive in subjects like mathematics or science, where attention to detail is crucial. Study habits. The test can help adolescents develop effective study habits. General-oriented students might benefit from focusing on summarizing key ideas and connecting concepts, while specific-oriented students might prefer detailed notes and step-by-step problem-solving. 2. Young adults, ages 18 to 25. Advantages: career path selection. As young adults make significant decisions about their education and career paths, understanding their preference for general or specific thinking can guide them toward roles that align with their strengths. For instance, general-oriented individuals might pursue careers in fields like strategic planning, marketing, or creative arts, while specific-oriented individuals might gravitate towards roles in engineering, finance, or data analysis. Job and internship search. Knowing their orientation can help young adults target internships and job opportunities that match their preferred working style. General-oriented individuals might look for roles that involve broad planning and idea generation, while specific-oriented individuals might prefer roles that require detailed analysis and execution. 3. Early career professionals, ages 25 to 35. Advantages: workplace efficiency. Early career professionals can use this test to enhance their workplace performance by aligning their tasks and roles with their natural tendencies. General-oriented professionals might excel in roles that involve big-picture thinking and strategic development, while specific-oriented professionals might thrive in positions that require meticulous attention to detail and process management. Career development. This test can also help early career professionals identify areas for growth. General-oriented individuals might focus on improving their attention to detail and execution skills, while specific-oriented individuals might work on developing strategic thinking and broader vision. 4. Mid-career and established professionals, ages 35 and above. Advantages: leadership and team management. Mid-career professionals, especially those in leadership roles, can benefit from understanding their orientation to improve their management style. General-oriented leaders might focus on setting the vision and strategy for their team, while specific-oriented leaders might excel in managing the operational details and ensuring precise execution. Understanding both tendencies can also help in building balanced teams that cover both strategic and detailed aspects of projects. Career satisfaction. For established professionals, this test can provide insights into whether their current roles align with their natural preferences. If there's a mismatch, they might explore opportunities within their organization to shift roles or consider new career paths that better suit their strengths, leading to increased job satisfaction. Conclusion. The general versus specific test offers valuable advantages across different age groups. Adolescents, 14 to 18, helps with educational choices and developing effective study habits. Young adults, 25, assists in career path selection and optimizing job internship searches. Early career professionals, 25 to 35, enhances workplace efficiency, career development, and decision-making. Mid-career and established professionals, 35 plus, supports leadership development, team management, and reassessing career satisfaction. By understanding their general or specific orientation, individuals at various stages of life can make more informed decisions, align their professional roles with their natural tendencies, and achieve greater success and fulfillment in both personal and professional arenas.